This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Shauna Lane. As you walk into the home, it offers bright natural light and gives you that warm charm feeling. Features include some original character with a little modern style, an open floor plan, original wood floors, custom designed kitchen, stainless steel appliances and a master suite with private bath. Enjoy, relax and let go while sitting on your covered front porch or capture the sun on the back deck and appreciate the quaint aspects of the neighborhood. Minutes away from Harbor Park, interstates, military bases and shopping. Don't let this one slip past your fingertips. Get in just in time to make it your very own home sweet home. For more information, review the details below or contact Shauna Lane at 757-652